Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the tub wheel assembly on your dishwasher. Over time, the tub wheel may become brittle from heat and harsh chemicals and crack, therefore not allowing your upper rack to roll smoothly. It's a really easy job to change. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, you will need to pull the dishwasher at least partway out of your cabinets. So that's going to involve releasing the 2 screws that mount the top of the dishwasher to the bottom of your countertop. You'll also need to remove the lower access panel and ensure that you have enough room with your plumbing supply to the inlet water valve to be able to pull that dishwasher forward. You'll also want to turn that water off and as well turn off the power. Now, we've chosen to do one of the front tub wheels, and in choosing those we don't need to remove the rack completely from the dishwasher to replace it. We simply need to pull the rail far enough forward, remove the rack stop, and to do that we're simply going to depress that little plastic tab at the top and then lift up on that rack stop and slide it away from the rail. Now next we'll need to make sure that we pull that dishwasher out far enough that we can access the 2 mounting screws that secure that tub wheel to the tub. So simply remove these 2 screws. Now we'll open the dishwasher up again and remove that tub wheel from the inside. So now we're simply just going to pull that tub wheel assembly away from the tub, slide it off of the rail, discard the old one. If you wish, you can clean up that area, any debris that may have collected there. Now before we install the new one, we do want to make sure that we push those rubber washers into place on the back side of the tub wheel assembly. Next, we'll slide the new tub wheel onto the rail. Position it over the screw hole openings and then reinstall the retaining screws from the outside of the tub. And make sure those are both tighten securely. Now that we have the retaining screws tightened securely, I'm going to take the rack stop and reinstall that, and we'll make sure that the movable clip is at the top. Line it up, press it down into place, make sure it's locked in, and now we can close up the dishwasher. We can then close the door up and push our dishwasher back into the cabinets, re-secure it to the bottom of our countertop, put our toe plate back on, and our repair is complete.